Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting out with how my room looked like before. My room is really small, so there's not much I can do with it at the moment, but I'm just going to show you how I decluttered and rearranged my furniture and painted my walls to have a more brighter and minimal look, which you're going to see at the end. Alright, so first things first is that we had to take my bed and other furniture out of my room to start making room to paint. And I think that's all we did the first day, but then the next day we got that paint out and just started going at it. Also, sorry if you hear thunder and rain in the background. It's storming right now, but anyways. So yeah, I decided to get blue when I first got my room because blue and white were like the main colors to put on the walls. And I was like, let me be different or something like that. Let me get blue. And I did like it. It was really nice. But in my house, we have north-facing windows. So it's like the opposite of where the sunlight comes. So it did make my room look darker and gloomier. So 4 years later, I was like, you know what? Let me get white. It goes with everything. It's a really classy and modern look. And yeah. Also, don't mind that Maluma shirt. It was randomly given to me in Christmas, but I was like, it's my new paint shirt. So after letting the paint dry, we put my bed back together, and we actually switched it to the other side of the room. It used to be by the window, but during the spring and summer I usually like to face the window because when I wake up, I like waking up to the brightness of the sun, you know? Helps me wake up faster. So after vacuuming and putting most of my furniture back, I was faced with this monstrosity the next day. Oh, there's the thunder. Hope you don't hear that. Maybe it's peaceful. I don't know. But anyways, I did have a lot of clothes that didn't fit me anymore. I just abandoned for the longest time. So I did clear out a lot of clothes, which was nice. And I like organizing in general, so this was kind of fun. So the last thing I hadn't organized were the things in my drawers. And that took a long time too. But like I said before, I do have a small room. So this was just something slight. But we're at the room tour now, so let's do it.
Hey, I'm back. So, first of all, if you've made it through this far, it's only been like 2 minutes, so. But anyway, thanks. Second of all, I'm in the corner of my room because I don't want to give too much away, you know? Alright, so you made it to the tour. My room, like I said, like 4 times. It's small, so, you know, the tour could be like, and that's it. But I'm gonna try to go like into medium depth, you know, like not too much depth because then it's boring, and then not like a little bit of depth because then it's like, oh, whoa, you're going too fast. So I'm gonna try to do this medium. I don't know what I even mean by that, but let's go. All right, so going into my room, to your left, to my left, yeah, to my left, we have this piece of furniture that I kind of use as my nightstand, I guess. On the side of it, there's a little painting that my friend did for me for my birthday a few years ago. So grateful for that. It's so cute. I love it. And I have these 2 shelves. The first one is what I kind of use every day, like my bullet journal, my other journal, my Bible, my pens, and then this box I have like Vaseline, chapstick, gum and stuff. And then the bottom, they're just already used sketchbooks and other journals. I have that little sand thingy that my other friend gave me too. And then on the top over here, I have my glasses, this plant. I have this little cactus thingy where I put my little chongos in here. And then I have a little picture of myself when I was a baby. Well, when I was a little tot. Well, I was a kindergartner. We actually found this not too long ago. And I just put it on my desk to just remind myself every day who I'm doing this for. So, period, you know? And then I got my bed over here. It used to be this way. And now it's over here facing the window. And I got 2 stuffed animals. My bear, his name is Edward, and he was given to me in the hospital like 3 years ago when we got hurt. And then this unicorn, I literally got it because Bethany Mota had it. And you know, my little middle school self was like, I want it too. So I got it. And I got this tiger from like, I think a vending machine. And his name is Osis. Oh yeah, and this one, her name is Uni. So yeah, that's my bed. Got some lights up on there. Moving over here, this is just a random spot. This is just my dresser, you know, you already know, shorts, shirts, underwear, socks,
and such. And also, funny story, back here I have some Fifth Harmony posters because I had a little slight obsession with them. It wasn't too bad because obviously people have like walls filled with posters, but and then this over here, my window, which is actually really tall. It's like my height. And I never really noticed it until like stand really close to it. All right, and then looking right over here, we got my closet with my purses and my hats and my beanies over there. Clothes, obviously, which look at how dull these colors are. They're literally neutrals, except for this one. You know, giving that pop of color. Gotta show that I got some personality, you know. And then over here, I put my blankets. I hung them up over here. I have some dresses that are just waiting to be worn after this quarantine, you know. I'm just trying to go out and live my best life. I got my sweaters, my jackets over here, like the jewelry thingy. I got this from Amazon. I have like my go-to gum. Who says that? What the heck? My favorite gum, I guess. It's my favorite because it has jelly in it. I don't know, it's fun. And then back there you can see like my belts. Down here I got my tech stuff right over there, like my cords, my chargers, my computer stuff, my speaker. These shoes are mostly like heels and stuff. And then over here I got like my Vans and my Nike Air Forces and unas chanclas. And then my makeup's just randomly here. And then we got this mirror. I kind of want to get a different mirror because, well, I mean, it's a good mirror, but you know. And then, sorry, don't look at that right there, my under. But actually, I'll show you what's under there because I would be kind of curious. Here, I'll set you right over here. Hopefully you can see me. Can you see me? I hope you can. So, this box is honestly like the randomest things. I have a map of the subway of New York over here. Like, that's like how random it is. And my just like random pictures and like my apron. Well, there's just stuff that nobody cares about. But this box, oh wait, I don't want to show this. It's just my biology binder. This box is my pride and joy. Here, I'll show you. Come over here. Come here real quick. This is my art box. I love this box, dude. Like, I had a dream where we were getting robbed and they're like, just pick 3 things that you can take with you and then we're gonna tear your house down. And I just took this box with me and my computer and a sweater. That's all I took. I'm like so proud of this collection. I've been collecting a lot of stuff for the last 3 years. Highlighters, markers, pens, pencils, this embossing tool. My friend gave me this and I didn't have a use for it until I found out that I had a lot of Sharpies. And I had a lot of Sharpies and then I just stored them all in here. Look at it. Look how satisfying. So thank you so much. Do I have a lot of stuff? Yeah, I do. Like for artsy stuff. But am I gonna keep buying stuff? Of course. Of course. That's the life of a freaking, what you call that? The life of a freaking I don't know. I don't even draw that good, but it's just fun. It's just, I don't know. But yeah. That's basically it. Let me put that away real quick. That's actually basically it. I hope I didn't go that fast. Maybe I did. But, I mean, what else can I freaking say? But let me just give you a little overview. Actually, I'll go over here where the light's better. So, overview, this is from my window where you just saw right here. And it looks just so much brighter, so much happier. Also, don't mind that bag. It's kind of bothering me. But it's a little mini Christmas tree that I put up in Christmas, so. Oh, yeah, and not to mention, I have these lights over here too, like little fairy lights, and they actually look like this. Alright, shout out to my mom. She helped me put these up here, and these stayed on my bed. These used to be on the wall, which didn't really look nice at all. But yeah, that's basically how it looks. So cute and such. Alright, let's go back. So yeah, that's basically my whole room. Ow. I just fell. That's funny. I was like unbalanced and I didn't think I was gonna fall, but I did. I hope to do something else with it in the future. You know, I really want to change this floor. This floor is not it, but for now, what are you gonna do? You know, I don't got that much money, and I would like to change like my furniture to have like I want to have like a plant wood white theme, like a plant, like a, obviously everything's white, but I want to add more wood and more plants to give, I don't even know what kind of look that's called, but I know it's kind of trendy now, but it just looks really nice. I love it a lot. But that's my room. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being interested in how I did stuff here. If you watched all the way through, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate your time.
honestly. Like time is money. That's what it is. So I thank you. I hope you enjoyed this room redo, makeover, remodel, glow up video slash tour. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a little comment or something, and like, subscribe if you like, if you want. I hope you enjoyed this video though, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.